This is the customer dashboard. This is where you find all your incoming leads when a customer connects on a vehicle. In this dashboard, you have the ability to assign a specific sales rep to a customer, have them provide their vehicle to determine an estimated trade-in value, and even offer customers suggestions of other pieces of your inventory. You will also have access to chat back and forth with the customer with our global chat feature. In this table, you can see the customer's name and their contact info. If they have the check mark visible on either icon, that indicates whether or not they have provided a phone number or email address. This next section is where you can assign a team member as the lead salesman for this specific customer. The next feature is the trade-in valuation. Either you or the customer is able to input their vehicle information, and you can then give them an estimated amount you'd be willing to pay for the car on a trade-in. You can view all the vehicle descriptions, photos, current mileage, and trim in the pop-up modal. The seller can provide you with the amount still owing, negative equity, optimal payments, and payment schedule, and you can log all that information here. The last step is to make your offer on what you would be willing to pay for this vehicle on a trade-in. This next column, titled Shopping, has 4 infographics displaying how this customer has been reacting to your inventory. The green check mark displays the number of vehicles they have liked, the question mark indicates the undecided or maybe, and the X is if they have rejected or declined any of your vehicle suggestions. If you click in here, you can see which vehicles of your inventory this customer has favorited. With the next feature, you can actually suggest other vehicles that you think the customer may be interested in. They will then have the option to like, reject, decline, and even say undecided or maybe. This can help you find the actual wants and needs of your customers and help you get them into a vehicle that suits them. The chat bubble at the end opens our global chat feature. In this area, you have 2 sections you are able to connect with the customer. The first is the general chat. This is an open chat that all team members are able to use to chat with the customer. Once you have assigned a sales rep to a potential customer, they then will be able to chat directly to the assigned member in the second table, Sales Rep Chat. The last tab here indicates the vehicle or vehicles the customer has expressed interest in for quickly navigating between the chat and the details of the inventory. Adding a new customer to your CRM can be done with just a few clicks of a button. Simply click Add Customer and input their name and phone number and email. When a new lead comes in, the status will automatically be set to New Lead, and once you have assigned the customer to one of your sales reps, the status will then be switched to Working Mode. You have 3 additional transaction statuses that you can use. Sold is for when your customer has fully completed the sale. Lost, you can use this status when a potential customer has perhaps decided to purchase a car from a different dealership. Lastly, we have a pending status for all pending transactions. At the top here, we have provided you a search toolbar where you can type in any make, model, year, or customer name and quickly pull up all the information you need regarding a past or potential sale. The completed tab gives you a list of prior customers who are attached to the vehicle they purchased. You are still able to stay connected to them with our chat feature and will have their corresponding contact information.